Good day, everyone. How's my YouTube family? Well, we're gonna take a walk down to the barn here. First thing, I'll find out if, or see if I can spot the guineas we set free. See if they hung around, or if they figured out, well, I don't want to be in here, and took off. I don't know if we'll, well, and after I do that, I'll go ahead and check everybody's water. And Scott was down here this morning taking care of stuff, so then we're gonna go back and we're gonna go on another test run and see how the camper does. Okay. Now the cows are over there munching out, they're happy. As long as they can eat, they're happy. Yeah. Well, I'll turn y'all around, let y'all search with me. I don't see them yet. I see a guinea right there, but I don't know if that might be Bonnie. Yeah, that's Bonnie. Whoops. There's some more. Bonnie's leading them around. I see 3 of them. Look how they've been eating out on, they eat out under here, boy. Well, we're looking for one more. I mean, they all could be together there. Hey, Bonnie, you took them, there's a chicken in there. You took them back into the woods. Man, you can tell they've been in here. Woo-wee. I think they're trying to outsmart me. Oh, they're all up in there. White chicken. There's a black chicken. Another white chicken. And them guineas are back over in there. I'm sure all 4 of them are there. I was able to see 3 of them. Yeah, they're right back in there. I mean, their camouflage is good. If they wasn't moving just a little bit, I wouldn't be able to see them. Got some food and water still. We'll be able to start cutting some of this down here pretty soon. y'all probably can't see nothing. But they're in there. There's another white one here, another white one there. Them guineas are back over in there. Hello, duckies. I see you've been in that water. Yeah, you have. Hello there. You looking good this morning? He says, I found me some girlfriends. Well, everybody down here is doing good. I pinched my finger and it's starting up here. I let a lid down on it and it's starting to bruise. I guess I'll have my pointy finger will be a little stiff maybe. Oh. All right, let's head back on up and get ready for that test drive. I'll see you up there. Okay, if this goes well, I'll be coming back home, and I guess I won't really video because I'll be running back and forth so much. And I'll need both hands to climb in and out of here. And start putting stuff in. And the air conditioner will work okay. I can feel it from back yonder. I just turned it on and it's already feeling good in here. And driving late in the evening, I might not even need it. Old camper's got these wings, vent wings, you know. Back in the day when we didn't have air conditioning, we'd roll the windows down and stuff and have this wing window here. You just flip it around and make it blow on you. It might be, I mean, it might even be cool enough not even have to worry about that. I'm gonna make one big circle, and that'll be about 12 miles of driving. Plus the time it's sitting idle there at the house before I left. Alright, here we go. Speed limit's just 45 right here. All the gauges are looking good. Ampage is looking good. Temperature's looking good. I think we're in good shape. It's riding good. Riding smooth. I don't think I got to worry about getting too hot or anything like that as far as air conditioning goes. It's feeling pretty good up here. I think we got it, people. I think we're going to be all right. Out now instead of just trusting the brakes. From the start, seemed to work good. Give myself some leeway in case something didn't feel right. I'd be able to react to it. Somebody told me not to video and drive at the same time. My grandkids, first of all, not old enough to drive or text. And I'm not having to handle the phone and do things. I'm just talking. Like I replied to them. I appreciate their advice. I appreciate their concern. But videoing while you're driving, he just pulled out in front of me. See, I'm paying more attention than he was. It don't distract me from what I'm doing. The video. And I don't think it would anybody else unless they're just busy looking at their camera or worrying about the focus and, you know, messing with their phone all the time. Just driving and videoing ain't hurting a thing. You know, if I wasn't videoing, I'd be riding down through here singing, you know. My YouTube families, every time they get in this camper, they go back there and start playing cards. And I saw somebody's going to be a little short of funds. I saw Peggy and I saw Neil both eating M&Ms out of their pocket. And Melinda, she was asking if anybody had any extra. She was collecting. And Tammy, she must have had her pockets already full because she wasn't doing nothing but smiling like, I'm ready. See now, I don't think anybody expects me to be staring right at the camera while I'm driving. Can't see my eyes anyway. And even if you could, you know, I'm watching the road. I'm looking, and especially around here, you look for deer crossing the road, running across the fields for the road. All that kind of stuff. Give me a little bit of credit. I have been around 34 years. Had a birthday last June, you know. And there's places you have to stop at stop signs and things like that. And of course I edit it, so you don't see the fact that I stopped back there. When I flipped the phone, I actually had to stop back there. So while I was sitting at the stop sign, I flipped the phone back to me. So it's things you don't see. Anyway, I appreciate the concern. center line to go around them without hitting them. But they backed up. They saw me coming. And I reach over here and pick up a drink. Just like everybody does when they're driving. It's no different than me reaching over while I'm driving and stopping the video if I want to stop it. I mean, that doesn't take as much time as it does to pick up that cup and take a drink. I'm just trying to explain. Some people won't worry or be over concerned. My grandkids text. Yeah, I sure hope they don't. Maybe I have grandkids late in life. My kids waited till they were a lot older than average to have kids. In fact, my daughter, when she had her first one, she didn't even think she could have kids. That's what she'd been told. Boy, did she surprise them. Popped out with a handsome grandson. Then come a beautiful granddaughter. And my son, I just figured he's never going to have no kids. He was, I figured he just, he wasn't going to do that. But he found, from what everything I can see, the love of his life, and he's, now he's got kids. Handsome little fellers too. If the Lord finds for me to stay around to see them grow up, because in reality, if they'd had kids when they were old enough to have kids and so forth, in their 20s, some would be finishing high school, and in my daughter's case, because she's quite a bit older than her brother, out of school already, working. Alright, I'm happy with all the gauges and I'm happy with the ride, so I'm going to go to the house, which we're just almost there, and start loading the camper. Start getting things, making sure I got this and that plugged up, and a plug for this and a plug for that, and things ready to go. I might come back later, end this video by saying, hey, look, I've got everything packed except for what I couldn't pack until I got ready to walk out the door, carrying my hand. Y'all keep smiling, enjoying your day. I'm not gonna make y'all work with me. Some of you probably, I can't get away from the card table back there. Y'all done circled up. Y'all done turned my kitchen table into one of them card tables. M&M. By the way, wipe the table off when y'all finish playing. You left streaks of chocolate all across the sliding them M&Ms back and forth the other day. And they said the riding lawnmower is not going to be ready for 2 weeks. It would take them, that long to get to it to fix it. That they're backed up. Yeah. Feels good sitting right here. Yeah, I think it'll be all right. Anyway, keep smiling, enjoying your game. I'll see you in a little while. Well, You know, I told you I'll be 2 weeks before we get the lawnmower back. They surprised us. Talking about how much they were backed up and everything. It's ready. So, yeah. I'm gonna take Petra to go get it. Showing up. Quit what I'm doing. I did got the floor clean, and it all needs to dry out and everything anyway. So let me get it in gear here and get going. We'll see you the next spot. Petra, tell everybody you needed new what?
Blades.
Need new blades on there too, didn't it? Why?
I did.
Why?
Because Scott always leaves stuff in the yard.
I blame it on Scott.
They were bent.
Well, we got the lawnmower, and yeah.
Blade high lift. Oh, only one. No, it says two
Two what?
blades.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Both blades. You know what? They're cheaper than I thought.
Huh?
2 blades for $38.80.
That's two each.
Oh,
It's
19.40 each.
Oh, really?
Hmm?
Well, I can give you a discount on
See
that.
there? I can bend them all day long.
You bend them all day long. Yeah, problem is you tear up the shaft, the spindle that turns the blades.
Well, actually, this wasn't too bad. The
We're going
labor.
home. We'll see you there. Well, good evening. Got everything done in here in the camper. Got back with the lawnmower. Got it unloaded. Just got to do the bed. Everything else is done. Floor's done. I took some dishes that was in the sink. And carried them in. I'm gonna wash them and bring them back out and put them in the cabinet here. But other than that, pretty much ready to roll out the door. So, yeah, feels good to have everything accomplished and done. Pretty much. Bring the suitcase, set it in here, and be ready to hit the road. So, tomorrow I'll make sure the guinea palace is all set up real good, and Scott won't have to mess with it except for just maybe walk by and check the water that they like to use the most to make sure it's got some water in it. Other than that, there'll be water in there in 2 other places. They won't run out of water. And he'll take care of the barn and guineas down there. I'll try to find those 4 teenagers. The 4 stoogers. That's what I'm going to call them, the 4 stoogers. And see how it all comes out. Yeah, the 4 stoogers running around down there with Bonnie. And go from there. So, I don't know. I'll get the camper turned back around. I'll take and get it ready to ease on out the gate. So it's just a matter of throwing a few more items in here and calling it quits. Hey, it feels good to be done with it. When it comes back, I don't have no plans right off, and he can work it into the schedule to come and finish getting things set up. So that'll work. That'll be fine. I might be going to the river maze. I think that's what they call it. Next month. So, yeah. We'll yeah. So we checked on the guineas. We ain't got the lawnmower. Got the floor done. Nothing left to do but hit the road. All right. Y'all have a blessed night. I'm looking forward to taking you on a trip. And go from there. God bless. Remember, Jesus loves you. I had a pretty good day today. Just hope the rest of the week, next week, is just as good or better. Remember, keep smiling. Jesus loves you. So no matter what's going on, that's a reason to smile. All right. Good night.